Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of vegetables and exploring the 3 best ones you should incorporate into your diet. Vegetables are not just colorful additions to your plate. They are powerhouses of nutrition packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can boost your health in numerous ways. From improving digestion to enhancing your immune system, the right vegetables can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. In this video, we'll not only highlight the top 3 vegetables but also discuss their unique health benefits and how they can easily fit into your daily meals. Whether you're a seasoned veggie lover or just starting to explore plant-based options, you'll find valuable insights that can inspire you to eat healthier. So, stick around as we uncover these nutritional gems and help you make informed choices for a healthier lifestyle. Vegetable 1. Spinach. Let's kick things off with spinach, a leafy green that's often hailed as a superfood. Packed with nutrients, spinach is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as essential minerals like iron and calcium. This nutrient profile not only supports healthy bones and skin but also boosts your immune system and energy levels. One of the best things about spinach is its versatility in the kitchen. You can toss it into salads for a fresh crunch, blend it into smoothies for a nutrient boost, or sauté it as a delicious side dish. It also works wonderfully in pasta dishes, omelets, and soups, making it easy to incorporate into your meals. Did you know that spinach has a fascinating history? It's believed to have originated in Persia and was introduced to Europe in the 12th century. Today, it's cultivated worldwide, making it accessible for everyone to enjoy its health benefits. So, let's embrace this leafy green and all it has to offer. Vegetable 2. Broccoli. Next up is broccoli, a cruciferous vegetable that's not only delicious but also packed with health benefits. Rich in antioxidants, broccoli contains compounds like sulforaphane, which have been shown to have cancer-fighting properties. This powerhouse vegetable is also an excellent source of dietary fiber, promoting healthy digestion and helping to maintain a balanced weight. To get the most out of broccoli's nutrients, consider cooking methods that preserve its health benefits. Steaming is a fantastic option, as it retains more vitamins compared to boiling. You can also enjoy it raw in salads or lightly sautéed with garlic for added flavor. Including broccoli in your balanced diet is essential for overall health. Its combination of vitamins, minerals, and fiber makes it a fantastic choice for boosting your immune system and supporting heart health. So, whether you're adding it to stir-fries or enjoying it as a snack, make sure to keep broccoli on your plate for a nutritious boost. Vegetable 3. Carrots. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about carrots, the crunchy, sweet vegetable that's a favorite for many. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that the body converts into vitamin A, essential for maintaining good vision and eye health. Regular consumption of carrots can help reduce the risk of age-related eye conditions and improve overall eyesight. Incorporating carrots into your diet is easy and delicious. They make a perfect snack when cut into sticks and paired with hummus or ranch dressing. You can also add them to salads, soups, or stir-fries for a burst of color and sweetness. Did you know that carrots come in a variety of colors, including purple, yellow, and white? Each variety has its unique flavor and nutritional profile, making them a fun addition to your meals. So, whether you enjoy them raw, roasted, or juiced, carrots are a tasty way to support your health while satisfying your sweet tooth. To wrap things up, we've explored the incredible health benefits of 3 standout vegetables: spinach, broccoli, and carrots. Spinach is a nutrient-dense powerhouse that supports your immune system and offers versatility in meals. Broccoli stands out for its cancer-fighting properties and fiber content, making it a must-have for digestive health. Lastly, carrots provide essential beta-carotene for eye health while satisfying your sweet cravings. Incorporating these vegetables into your diet can significantly enhance your overall well-being, so don't hesitate to get creative in the kitchen. Whether you're tossing them in salads, blending them into smoothies, or enjoying them as snacks, these veggies can easily fit into your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more health tips and delicious recipes. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Together, let's embrace a healthier lifestyle, one vegetable at a time.